name is Prince Saprai. The course is Philosophical Foundations of the Common Law. It's a third-year optional module. As part of the course, we look at the philosophy of three discrete areas of the common law: the philosophy of tort law, the philosophy of contract law, and the philosophy of criminal law. It's a requirement for the course that students who undertake it have studied those modules separately as law modules. The course looks at philosophical issues in these three areas of law, and it does so in three ways. Firstly, we look at whether any of these particular areas of law are held together by sets of moral principles. So, for example, with contract law, we look at the relationship between contract law and the practice of promising, how and to what extent contract law reflects the morality of promising, or whether it diverges, and if it diverges, whether it should change in light of that morality. And we do a similar thing for tort law and criminal law. We also look at doctrines that cut across those three fields of law, such as causation, responsibility, fault. So that's the second aspect of the course, which is comparing and contrasting how those doctrines operate across those three areas of law. And finally, we look at discrete topics which raise philosophical issues, topics that are thrown up within these areas of law. So they can include topics such as the philosophy of rape, what makes rape morally wrongful, or wrongful life actions in the law of tort, so claims that are brought when unwanted babies are born to parents because of the doctor's negligence. Or we'll look at things like prostitution and the morality of prostitution, whether certain things should or shouldn't be sold, such as sex and organs and things like that. The course is taught by way of seminar, so there are 20 seminars altogether. Students take 6 seminars in the philosophy of tort law, 6 seminars in the philosophy of criminal law, and 6 seminars in the philosophy of contract law. And then there are a couple of other seminars, one of which is a revision seminar and the other is a feedback seminar on the assessed summative essay which students are required to do as part of the course. It's examined in 2 ways. First of all, by a closed book exam at the end of the course, which makes up 50% of the mark, and secondly, by way of a 5,000-word research essay, which will be taken by the students on an aspect of the course. The students are given a range of questions on a particular area of the course, and they go away and do a research essay on it.